Is professional mattress cleaning worth it? Have you ever wondered how much dirt, sweat, and allergens your mattress accumulates over time? Spoiler alert, it's a lot. That's why today we are going to talk about professional mattress cleaning and whether it's worth the investment. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of mattress hygiene. First, let's talk about what's lacking in your mattress. Every night, we shed millions of dead skin cells, which attract dust mites, tiny creatures that thrive in our beds. Add in sweat, body oils, and occasional spills, and your mattress becomes a breeding ground for bacteria and allergens. Over time, this buildup can lead to allergies, respiratory issues, and restless nights. Now, you might be thinking, I change my sheets and use a mattress protector. That's enough, right? While these practices are essential, they don't entirely prevent dirt and allergens from seeping into your mattress. That's where professional mattress cleaning comes in. Professional mattress cleaning involves a deep and thorough cleaning process using specialized equipment and eco-friendly solutions to remove dirt, allergens, and bacteria effectively. It not only cleans the surface but also penetrates deep into the mattress, which can't be achieved with regular vacuuming or DIY cleaning methods. So, is it worth it? The answer is a resounding yes. A clean mattress not only ensures a healthier sleep environment, but it also prolongs the life of your mattress. Plus, it's a small investment when you consider the cost of dealing with allergies or replacing a worn-out mattress. In conclusion, professional mattress cleaning is a worthwhile investment for your health and well-being. It's always better to leave it to the experts who have the knowledge, experience, and equipment to provide a deep and effective clean. So, don't wait any longer, schedule a professional mattress cleaning today and enjoy a fresher, healthier sleep.